Kamribo Gunrem, Kendo Gunlan Lapun Lapun Musong, Kayu Rong Bom Chim Lom, Petong Kat Ding Mo, Petong Arisa Thak Penyi, Nimnuzong Kukyok Sa Sing. Mithuk na han yang ne surong thuk ka renjong liang chong hit bu chu pong maya liang sa dog bu yang ne vik ngun chong na han narsing chu pandim chu kim chu sinol chu simbo chu karbu chu and karsing chu kyong li wam bu liang ka kayu sa ing katap nyu nyu do dep ka anum ing sa liu ka bam wam thomo are jong liang shiba de punjok nu vor nga ni thomo huyu achom atun dep ka bam wam thomo debdo ka yuk zuk wam thomo un debdo ka ti chen tho bu go thomo Namnu zong kukyok are song nong ka nơ la mơn yak ka nong wam thomo un sola thet ka li lo lyok wam thomo un huyu sa kitab ing nyu do tado sa nơ la yok brok pong dep ka tel nga ni bu anam re song sa tel ka azom athin zuk leng bam wam thomo Signin kat, nana do namnu zong kukyok na sing chu, pandim chu, kim chu, sinol chu, simbo chu, karbu chu, and kar sing chu. Mơn yak song kun ka punjok, von ka nong mo, and sudu madling, tolor de signim munon mo, and signim de sola munon mo. Ono tola sujud, teo song tujud la munon mo. Sela, namnu zong kukyok ari chong, ni lord bat ini. Itigmula-niyo tutukat katapang mo. Unang todo sa pelga ni bu anam song sa tenta, ang asam at hinsuk ko bu boto mo. Sela, anam risong, la mulat mo. Mutasong, itpulo sa sutut at dip ka, lukong mo. Un, limadling, anam song rem, si buyong sakching kung tubong nutong mo. Sela, buyong isin mo. Because Shilpa Adong on something in Lenon mo. Because Anam song them sure as in Mun Kuyong, Arong in some Lemon mo. Slap lang man mo, sunap lang mo nun. Tat mo tulo sa sikik at yung lanon. Sila, because sa anong song, panon mo. Tiyoka, ang chokka sa anong unsembut ka, sigmund ko kyokong. Ito sa anong song, nasing chu, mandim chu, tim chu, sinol chu, simbo chu, karbo chu, ang kasing chu, lilo timo. Huwag mo ng anong song ramsam mo. Anong ayasban tatunggo? Gosem dog ng kuchak magnon mo. Go yang ka, bam leng ngeg leng anam songrem azom hok bu shong sela, ago angit sa cetro arere, atang gu mo yong, ing nyu donen mo yun mo. Lingradong signim orere, kuto sa anam song sa dip kabamsyong, sa syok mo signim gumo, linen ing nunyudonen mo yun tumo. Azon atim zomden anam timbujok mo. Ing ho, kayo manyak kanong ba, syungon goligong ne, godin syo. Kayo sa manyak syong ka, naknang kong chinchu sa kagong kakyonon mo, saknon lamulat mo. Kong chinchu ng kayong, sige azom atin sa ten kalikong mo. Kayo, kuto sa mong zukong mo, ang kayo bam syong yangka, buhong mo. Sila, atong hudong siya sa ako, munhang yumba, uri kayo dun buhong mo. Kung kayo re, mayan yang sa toku, mundad mo yung dun buhong mo. Rinser anong jokong mo, kayo mga nyo, sila, anong pensyon yung kayo, mayan yang sa tungka yung are, machong sa ako, ang silang atin, yun mo yung buhong do, nado mo. Rinser anong. Siya kayo din, dapat mo. Sila Diego un Concho. Again, are kayo din chocolate mo. Concentulan kayo, yan ang yung trongka, chindo po mo. Instead, kung mga kayo ing adolyang lodi mo. Kayo nagsadya po, o magdasyo, in concentrusanahan, lot long ban kayo sa iyong magdasyo. Haring siyang aring tuloy, kung mo na ninugo, sa kanon mo. Ato ko ito sa anong siyang remudo, driver mo yun ba? Yung sa yung joke mo. Sa aci bo anam songho, kasam kita tu biadun, nusyakong, kesimpulan mensyati, kesimpulan patu mam songho, anam kibu jokong, sa aci bo in, anam tam chinchurem, atau seteng kasing, bumumu, kayu turong, nong len along, ajon bumuroy, menyak bukat, nisyat imo. Aru wen asat pemuragat gomoo. Un hudo surong nan kayu sa chopka, bam ship ni moo. Un hudo lung ship ni mo. Anam song sa sum, ver mo kudni, yung sak chingdeng, nung yudo, chop man bukini mo. Anam hanin hudo sa anam song sa dun chop kugumlot, diba, sumadan sa dog kasyong, siwi mo. Hanin, ito sa anam song sa achom atong bamba boboto mo. Sirere, along yung mo jomni, are gurung la, islam atong madlang joto mo. Sita achibo animsong, Yameta aridore kong chinchunin photo bugong, Goshala maglukuti, Sena, Ichala agyato din boli, Yung Iksaka kayo rong kutsong, Pwedeng kachit siyong Senda, asal madan anong kasyokang mo. Kung mo ay idag kong pag-pagsit kong timo. Senda, rong kapsang rin mudo-mudo po din net kong nen jamsit ni. Kung agyato atin kong langon sit ni. Senda, sen mo ko, ayugan lagi lonsyo. Ringser anong lonsyak din mo. Ano kong pitaglad ba? Rong kapsang nen kong chenchu. Kayo nun yung tukyak sa love you, lam sawa ba plasyo. Uri madong, ayu kyo tuklon syo. Ing chiklon tupsyo. Sena, asyo afat arere madung ba, ti yung mura song nun muchuk ni. Along aring arigun dunling, along unmul o madlin along, nimluzong kukyok, narsing ju, pandin ju, kim ju, sinol ju, karbu ju, and karsing ju, Bun yat yet man, kung chinchun and gyut mo mo, rem mat ng pianon mo. Niluluto ng sabay ko na, unhun mo. Unang lisang ng turizong, tula atong sa secure ngalwa, atin kumulo, mundiya ko katin mo. Sa kapsado handong, dong ng laki mo. Hiram adong boto mo, ang sigong boto konsoka, from the bambang boto mo. Mumudo, asom atin sukling bedung, son konsyo. Kinjang pati tourism, ang konsensyo ng peti ma tourism, atin kumundiang uri, mingot ka, kanyan lensya kat titlon mo, ang tugong, din madon mo, Kung sa akap agyon, yung mo, and view, when acham atendin ka, bambul mo. Uri atengan along, rong kusong sa tumurong ka, agyong bunbun mo. Nakagawang din tourism, rong kusong, kudya po kitita kitun mo. Sila, rong kusong naninusong kudyak sa abyang, dinong, kung chinchurang tawag totoo mo. Uling dem, mountain kitchun, suklim, surong sungkit, rong kusong naninusong, kudyak nasing Chu, Sinoju, Singoju, Carboju, and Kasunju abyang tenling, kung chinchuring sa wikopsyo. Yang saat ada ikin dat ng manino. Yung kasang kutyap asin ang atang kedosa, yung gen chusa yulen ng madnan ni bosim kuchu. Surong tuka, yung aritong kayunen, nasing chu, panding chu, kim chu, sinol chu, singgo chu, karbo chu, and kasing chu, yuka sing kuchu. Option. Sir,
Mucha, atet sunap non, ksu anum sang, jala la machan, huyum kiduk ta mu chom liệu
Kayo im kekyo bigla di bo. Ing ungkam di bo le.
yun ang
Ay.
Senla senim kukya kunan anum sang shiba fatunga
Ing he kayo meriak kanong ba shun golin ka dong dunju. Kayo meriak kanong ba meriak ka bik lung kong chinchu sa kurbong ka kyubula saknon malat mo. Kong chinchu na kayong siba kayong azom atin sa tun ka lima. Un kayong nungzuk mo. Un kayong bam yang labuh mo. Shen la kudong re shu sa akong ngunan mo ure kayong dunbo mo. Kayong re mayal yang sa dogbun ka shun libo mo.
Kayong munyan mo, Chen la, anong kong chinchunon, kayong malang sa tun ka, yung ari juga chulinin, bamhung mo.
Shujok ka kay nindo ga tunin mo. Nyan tenbuin gong chimbu at kenyem kayunin okun mo. Gong chinchunin kayong genalari lishong sa lenoboto mo.
Hơn mắt ba kayong ing adulang ka ladi jong bin thok ka zok tu bu go mo o. Kayo nun si jok bum o mat ga chu ing kayong jing chu sa nahan lat bang man kayo sa ipong mat ga chu.
ksu sa che ba anum sang mun gong ksum tu na nak sho ksu de bambu tu ni shanga
Ing ho sen la ho sum muduk o. Kayo nun ado sa tun ka kong chinchu rem libi tu ni mo. Kayo abilam non len ajon. Abi ajon bu meriak buka disit ni mo. Urere azuk un aryom ni mo. Urere kaisa chop ka abi bam sit ni mo un adom nguk sit ni mo.
tok pa ksu sa che ba anum sang pemek kare kong chen chu no de liat bu magango ayum shulalin makhat ne tugu pemek ka tugum rangku pongka kiduk chum sho
Go mo ing. Agap do kiduk pong untuk pajet la chet ni. Rong kup sorem buduk bunyet pong nun ham chet ni. Agap do tuk aten pong la hum chet ni. Shen la sum buduk o kayu gun la shono non chu.
Rizong kiduglat ba, rongkup songnan, kong chinchurem. Rizong kiduglat ba, rongkup songnan, kong chinchurem. Tado, nimno kujok lang singin, sau to kong ayu pasit ardelom hawket chu. Arya fatka ti o to musuk ni.
Ing alang kayo nonga siya.
Jangan kau dia. Sokan kamu sense. Jangan mana. Sense balang. 2, 3, 3, 3. No 3 abo. Ari bang nama saya sudah kecil. Ari bang nama saya sudah kecil pun nama siapa warna. Ari asyik situ.
Mana Song solo. Jeput are pudding mo. Say no. Song solo.
Jangan dekat sini.
Hello. Hadang ka na sa message. Pagtiin din na. Uy, di man siya lang mas na.
What? False.
Là tu gà qua đâu mà thằng tu gà qua đâu mà thằng này dù nông
Sampai banyak. Sampai banyak.
Cepet Might you have to use.
Ano? Atau sabi mo syukur?
Sabi ang nung yung do mo adosa
Kasi sabi mo, bilang loko mo.
ayun ka dubo
Punya tapi. Serius kalau. Tisi. Alak. Alak pelan lang nih.
hất ayu abi mo chuk sana pia ba nong neng ha shu na ambu zuk zuk
Xin ông mồm chán chứ. Give something. Yes.
Good morning everyone present out today. Respected Principal Sir, teachers and my dear Clevians. Today, Ongmo Lepcha of Lepcha Department is here to translate the story in English. The Tale of Seven Brothers. 1,000 years ago, much before the sacred mountains of Sikkim stood, where they stand today as guards and protectors of my Liang. Narsing Chu, Panin Chu, Kim Chu, Sanal Chu, Simbu Chu, Kabru Chu, and Karsing Chu lived as brothers in the village of Sakyong with their only sister, Yunungdu, far in the uppermost region of Zonggu, a place blanketed by heavy forest and mist and fog. They lived happily, worked together, grew up together. The seven brothers used to hunt for meat in the forest and return in the late evenings. And the sister Ninungdu, along with the rest of her daily chores, used to go for daily chores like cleaning and cooking, would prepare the meal lovingly as they ate, tired and famished after the hunt. One day, as usual, the seven brothers ventured deep into the forest to hunt. And slowly the morning passed into noon and then evening. And when it was time for the sun to set, the seven brothers had still not returned. Ninundu sat alone. She had prepared a huge, delicious meal for her brothers, thinking that they would be so tired and famished after a long day of hunting. And yet, no brother was in sight. Next morning, she arose at dawn and prepared a fire and gazed across the horizon to catch a glimpse of her brothers. But there was still no sign of them at all. No filled with fear, anxiety, and tears, worried that something might have happened to them. She broke down, sobbing furiously. Night came, the next day dawn, and still her brother was missing. Finally, after a week of anxiety and suffering, her brothers finally arrived home. She rushed and embraced each one of them. She spoke, which they all separately. I have been worried sick. I have been worried out and waiting for you. Come now, you must be hungry. Let me serve you all a hearty meal. But little did the little sister Ninundu know that this happy reunion was to be short-lived. In fact, she had no idea that she was spending her last moment with her beloved brothers. The eldest brother spoke, Sister, let me tell you of what happened during our last hunt. We were all busy chasing our hunt that we soon reached the land of Gongchen Chu. When he saw us, he invited us in and served with food and drinks. He made us his guest and place to stay. That evening, he told us of what he actually wanted. He told us that we have to be the protectors and guards of my young. The other brother spoke. We of course tried to refuse it, no. But he kept on talking and telling us of how important and honorable this task would mean to my young, another brother. Finally, we accepted his proposition, knowing that it was an honor for us to be given such an important role. Thus, Gongchen Chu bestowed us a blessing to enable us to stand our ground and carry on with new responsibility. Another brother, that was why we took a week to finally return to you, dear sister. We will have to say our last farewell and report immediately back to Gongchen Chu and begin with the task. On hearing this, Poninungu was devastated and shocked. Alone her by herself, with no brothers around her forever, and she spoke, wiping away her tears. My dearest brother, if you all are then leaving me alone, who shall look after me now? Who shall keep me company? Who will be there beside me? The eldest brother said, worry not, my dear sister. We told Gongchen Chu about you. Now as depart today, a young brother will come by tonight. He is a good person, and he shall not take a place and take note of you. Knowing that nothing could change the mind of the brothers, Ninundu stood silent. She now understood why her brothers had looked slightly sad when they emerged from the forest that day. She and her brother had always been a very close-knit family, and now was to be no more. But even then, she remained strong and said, very well, my dear brothers. If this is what the mighty Gongchen Chu wants, I cannot stop or try to change your minds. But tell me something more. In the future, will we, the Rangkup, suffer? Sadly, but firmly, one of the brothers said, yes, many misfortunes will come, and the Rangkups will suffer from different diseases, illnesses, and even from destructions. But do not worry so much, you can all be saved. Another brother took her and explained, when those times of hardship comes, the Rangkups must offer prayers and offerings to Gongchen Chu through the medium of us, the seven brothers. If it is done, we shall be saved and blessed. But remember, no female should take part in either or preparing or offering the ritual. And now having said all this, and after bidding the final goodbyes, the seven brothers left the sister and went about to do the honorable task assigned to them by Gongchen Chu. It was truly the saddest day for Ninungdu, and as foretold by her brothers that evening, just as the sun was sinking into the darkened skies, a young hunter arrived looking for a place to rest after having lost his way in the forest. He was far away from home and had been wandering the forest for several days and nights. Ninungdu
cooks and feeds him with a delicious meal, and is destined and planned by Kong Chu. The young hunter falls in love with Min Young-do and married each other. They had many children and lived happily ever after. From then onwards, there were countless changes in the life of the Rongkups. Times of suffering and hardship came as had been foretold. But the Lepchas, or the Rongkups, have been offering their prayers to Kong Chu by calling on the name of the seven brothers, who stand faithfully and patiently on guard for him. Making this a tradition to the very day, and today the Lepchas continue to offer their prayers to Kong Chu to the seven mountains. The land continues to be blessed and beautiful, with the seven brothers standing tall and true to the duty in the form of mountains, as we see today, as Narsin Chu, Panim Chu, Kim Chu, Sinal Chu, Simbu Chu, Kabru Chu, and Kasin Chu. Thank you. I would like to call the participants on the stage. And I would like to thank Sovik sir for helping us. And I would also like to call Principal sir on the stage to give some few words.
Congratulations, ma'am. Bravo, Vaila. Very nice. No, lay. Okay. What? Achule! Hey, ma'am, put it on the phone. Ma'am, put it on the Once more, girls. Girls, come back. Ma'am, put it on the Some.
Good morning, everyone. Once again, we've been entertained to a very nice, interesting, elaborate skit put up by the Lepcha department. And I'd like to thank Lakwit ma'am. Let's give a nice round of applause to Lakwit ma'am. And another round of applause to the entire team that have staged this skit. You can see the elaborate planning and the different props that are used. They bring out so much of the tradition, the culture, things that we don't see very often these days. Therefore, it's so important, that these language department programs are well received by every one of us. I could see a few students bending their head down and like fiddling around with their fingers, and you have to pay attention. This has been the work of, I think, at least a week, ma'am. So you have to enjoy, you have to watch, you might not understand, but there is always the English translation. So thank you so much, ma'am, once again. And I'm pretty sure next year, I'm sorry, fireflies, no, next year, with the blessings of some of our greatest well-wishers, Arijit sir, we will have a kind of an indoor multi-purpose auditorium where we can stage these programs without any fear of the rain and so on. But never mind, at least the rest of the year, I hope we can look forward to more and more of these language department presentations. So it's already drizzling. Once again, thank you very much, ma'am, and the entire Lepcha department.
Ma'am, pani pono thali haljeni na अहिले